What is up, everyone? Flash from Flash Hobbies. We're talking about gyros today. So I'm pretty new to the drift scene. I just finished up this little build here. Tried to do it the cheapest way possible. Not entirely sure if I wanted to get into the rear wheel drive drifting scene. So let me show you what I got here real quick. So I have a HPI Sprint 2 drift, and it's been converted a little bit, so it's only rear drive, and the belt's been taken out for the front. So it's free spinning. They've been modified a little bit, so it has a little bit more steering angle and basically only runs off the front. So it's running brushless. I have a pretty decent servo in this. Just everything that I have here I've had lying around, so I decided to put it into this. And in addition, I did feel like I need a gyro to use this, so this is what I ordered. The Gyro Racing YE0021 in the black. They do offer different colors. I believe it comes in red, purple, and some other colors, but this was the fastest shipping available for me. I wanted a red one or an orange one, but they didn't have that until like late October. This one got to me within a week. I'll leave the link down below so you guys can check it out if you are interested in it. Let's go ahead and see how we install this thing. So of course what's included is your gyro. This is the Gyro Racing Hack Slider gyro. It's got a pretty nice feel. It's aluminum on the outside. These are your servo leads. Comes with a little tool so you can adjust the sensitivity on it, and your instruction booklet. So essentially what this is going to do is it's going to help control your steering if you're not too familiar with the gyro, and it actually helps you increase your stability while keeping the car at an angle or drifting. So the way that this gets installed is it's got two actual plugs and then one that's a receiver plug. So one of them's going to get plugged into your channel 1, which is your steering. Another one's going to get plugged into your channel 3 for power. And then your actual servo itself is going to plug into the gyro. So before I install it, I want to show you guys how it drifts without the gyro as it is right now. So I don't know if this will be a good gauge or not because I don't have a whole lot of space at the moment to drift. I just wanted to get this gyro installed, but I mean overall as it is right now, it doesn't handle terribly. One thing that I feel that they should have included is some double-sided tape or something to actually attach this onto. I mean, it's no big deal. I have a couple things laying around, but here's what the gyro does. You see, that's not me inputting any steering. That's just solely based off the gyro. So it helps you stabilize while drifting. And essentially what you do is now the car tries to stay straight. I'm not sure if you can hear that. I'll be quiet for a second. That's slow input from the gyro itself. If I just turn it manually, then of course it just keeps trying to make the wheel straight. So, and it's very, very sensitive, very responsive. And what I will say is it does come with that tool, so if it's too sensitive or you just need to just adjust the settings to however you like. Alright, so we have everything ready to go. Let's turn it on and let's give it a shot. So just a couple things. I don't have actual slicks for drifting quite yet. These are just regular, like smooth rubber. I have some drift tires on order, so I feel like it's going to do way differently. Also, the concrete that I have is really, really rough, but I mean, you could see some parts where the gyro was engaging and trying to keep it straight, so I did get a couple drifts in there. I definitely want to try it again with some when I get the different wheels in. These are more just for street look, tires, wheels, whatever. So I'm just waiting on those to come in, and then we'll try that. But it looks promising. It looks really good. It felt really good. I'm not a competitive drifter. I just want something for fun that gives you somewhat realism. So, well, anyways, guys, that's going to do it for this video. As always, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, hit notifications, and we'll see you on the next one.